Oh, this fan no moving That's why it caused to the compressor no start.
So
The too hot then the compressor no start Then we need to change the starter, the relay and this change for you Oh. So we change one motor will be settled
So it's the one who triggers it.
Hmm?
Probably the fan is the one who triggers
This
it.
one is the main problem. This one first. After effect, the compressor no start.
Okay.
The relay problem. The main thing is this thing the motor first
But it's very dirty.
After I do some service you got vacuum?
Yeah, I got.